In this section, I'm going to create a customized list and then perform a customized sort. So here we've got the planets in the solar system. I know Pluto has been demoted, so it's not really a planet, but I've left it in anyway. So what I want to do is I want to be able to sort these in order of distance from the Sun. So basically I want Mercury to come first, then next will be Venus, Earth, and so on and so forth, with Pluto at the end. So if I click within here and then go to where it says data, over here I've got the sort, so I can do A to Z or Z to A, but it's not what we want. So what I have to do is click here, and I want to use a custom sort. So where it says order, well, first of all I make sure that that has been selected, but there's only one column anyway. Then in the order section I need a custom list. Now by default Excel has these custom lists for days of the week and months of the year. What I need to do is I need to add here a new list. So I click on add, and then what I do is I type in the order of the words that I want. So in this case it will be Mercury first, then it will be Venus, and so on and so forth. So what I need to do is type those in separated by a comma like that, and then click on OK. So as you can see, if I go and look at the custom lists available, I have the default ones, and I now have the specialist one that I've set up, so it'll order the list entries in this order. So making sure this was clicked obviously to start off with, I select this custom list, click on OK, and there we go, it's been sorted in the correct order in terms of distance from the Sun. So that's how you create a custom list. If you want, you can delete a custom list. So if I just click here, go to sort, click here to look at the custom lists. I can select the one I no longer want, which is this one here. If I go and click on delete, it says, are you really sure about this? I say, yep, it's gone. So as you can see, we're back to the defaults again now.